Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a payment method on Entailor account. If you don't have Entailor account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on My Account. On the drop-down list, you will see a Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Payment Methods. On the payment screen, you will see a button that says Add New. Click on Add New. Now, enter your card credentials such as the card number, expiration month and year. Then enter your billing info. After entering, click on the Save button. And now your card has been added. That's how you add a payment method on Entailor account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.